हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू लर्न विद फार्मेसी। तो चलिए फार्मास्यूटिकल ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ में आज हम फार्मास्यूटिकल ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस यूनिट 1 में बात करने वाले हैं ड्रग्स एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट 1940 एंड इट्स रूल 1945 के ऊपर। तो इसमें जो हमारा कंटेंट है वो है इंपोर्ट ऑफ ड्रग्स, जिसके अंदर क्लासेस ऑफ ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक प्रोहिबिटेड फ्रॉम इंपोर्ट, इंपोर्ट अंडर लाइसेंस और परमिट, ऑफेंसेस एंड पेनल्टीज। फिर मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ ड्रग्स, जिसके अंदर प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चर एंड सेल्स ऑफ सर्टन ड्रग्स, कंडीशन फॉर ग्रांट ऑफ लाइसेंस एंड कंडीशंस ऑफ लाइसेंस फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ द ड्रग्स, मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ ड्रग्स फॉर द टेस्ट, एग्जामिनेशन एंड एनालिसिस, मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ न्यू ड्रग्स, लोन्स लाइसेंस एंड रीपैकेजिंग लाइसेंस। इसके ऊपर हम आज एमसीक्यू लेने वाले हैं इस एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ में। तो इस वीडियो से पहले हमने ड्रग्स एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट एंड रूल के बारे में वीडियो बनाया है, जो हमने आपको समझे ऐसे ट्रिक्स में का इस्तेमाल करते हुए बनाया है। तो आप यदि उस वीडियो को देखते हैं तो यूनिट 1 के एमसीक्यू आप यूँ ही सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए मैं ऊपर कार्ड में वीडियो की लिंक डाल दूंगा। तो दोस्तों, आप लोगों को करना क्या है कि वीडियो को देखते रहिए, और यदि आपको यह पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करना है तो मैंने वीडियो के अंदर 2 क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया नहीं है, तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस का जवाब हमें कमेंट कर सकते हैं आपकी ईमेल आईडी कमेंट बॉक्स में डालकर। तो हम उस ईमेल आईडी के ऊपर आपको पीडीएफ भेज देंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इंडियन फार्माकोपेल कम्युनिटी वॉज अपॉइंटेड इन। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1948। तो 1948 में इंडियन फार्माकोपेल कम्युनिटी अपॉइंट की गई थी। Question number 2, standards for surgical dressing was given in. So the correct answer is schedule F2. So this we have already learned in previous video. So if you haven't seen the video, see it. I will mention the link in the description box. Question number 3, which of the following does not come under the prohibition of manufacturing of drugs? So the correct answer is manufacture of drug for the purpose of examination, test or analysis. So manufacture of drug for the purpose of examination, test or analysis does not comes under prohibition of manufacture of drugs. Question number 4, Schedule R of Drug and Cosmetic Act World applies to. So the correct answer is standards for mechanical contraceptive. Question number 5, application for grant or renewal of license for manufacturing Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug is required to be made in. So the correct answer is Form 24D. So in Form 24D, application for grant or renewal of license for manufacturing Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani is being made. Next question, question number 6, good laboratory practice, in short GLP certification is issued in India by. So the correct answer is Drug Controller General of India, in short DCGI, Government of India. So DCGI, Government of India issues certification for GLP, that is good laboratory practice. Question number 7, the chairman of the investigational new drug community in India is. So the correct answer is Drug Controller General of India, Government of India. Next question, question number 8, standards of quality for drug are prescribed in. So the correct answer is the second schedule to the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So standard of quality for drug are prescribed in second schedule 1940, and the list of standard book in Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani was prescribed in first schedule. Question number 9. Which of the following drug is a scheduled bulk drug? So the correct answer is salbutamol. Question number 10. The symbol RX is printed on the label of which type of medicine? So the correct answer is medicine belonging to Schedule H. And the Schedule H drug cannot be prescribed or purchased over the counter without prescription, and Schedule H drug are to be taken in the presence of medical supervision. Question number 11. A license shall maintain an inspection book in which of the following forms under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940? So the correct answer is Form 35. So in Form 35, license need to be maintained inspection book. Question number 12. The statutory analytical laboratory for drug is the Central Drug Laboratory. Its headquarters is situated at. So the correct answer is its headquarters is in Kolkata. Question number 13. Life periods of drug belong to which schedule? So the correct answer is Schedule P. So life period of drugs belong to Schedule P. Question number 14. Schedule FF to the Drugs and Cosmetic Rule 1945 contains the list of. So the correct answer among these options is standards for ophthalmic preparation. So Schedule FF contain list of standards for ophthalmic preparations. Question number 15. Applications for the issue of permit to import small quantity of drug for personal use shall be maintained or made in. So the correct answer is in Form 12AA. So in Form 12AA, the applications are mentioned for the issues or permit to import small quantities of drugs for our personal use. Next, question number 16. Current good manufacturing practice, in short CGMP, regulations are established by. So the correct answer is United States FDA. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not the wing of Drug and Cosmetic Act? So the correct answer is Education and Pharmacy wing. So the Education and Pharmacy wing is not the wing of Drug and Cosmetic Act. Next, question number 18. Which of the following is not a drug as per the law? So the correct answer is none of the above. That means empty gelatin capsule, mosquito repellent cream and substances for diagnosis of disease are all drugs. So in this question, which one of the following is not drug is asked. So the correct answer is none of the above, because all these above questions are a drug. Question number 19. Schedule N indicates. So the correct answer is minimum equipment needed for retail pharmacy. So in Schedule N, minimum equipments are needed for retail pharmacy setup are mentioned. Question number 20. The drugs for periods for personal use can be imported without permit provided. It should not exist. So the correct answer is 100 doses. Next, question number 21. Minimum penalty for selling any adulterated or spurious drug causing death or grievous harm to any person in India is. So the answer is imprisonment of 10 years and fines of 10 lakh rupees. So if any XYZ person sells adulterate or spurious drug that lead to the death of any person or any harm to any person in India, so such person is sent behind the bars for 10 years and fine of 10 lakh rupees is charged. Next, question number 22. Gudaku is a one tobacco product used for rubbing against human teeth. Contains tobacco powder, lime and molasses along with red mineral matter. With the provision of D and C Act, it is. So the correct answer is it is cosmetic. Question number 23. Who has the power to regulate possession for sale of any poison? So the correct answer is state government. So state government has the power to control or sale of any poison. Next, question number 24. Drugs to be taken under the medical supervision are included under the following schedule. So the correct answer is Schedule H. So in Schedule H, drugs to be taken under the medical supervision are included. And on Schedule H medicines, the cautions is written that this drug need to be taken in the medical supervision. So next question, question number 25. Licensed manufacturer shall maintain the reference sample of drug other than thus specified in Schedule C, CL and X. So the correct answer is 3 months after the date of expiry of the drug. Question number 26. Publications of the advertisement is prohibited that refers to the use of any drug for the treatment of. So the correct answer is all of the above. So advertisement for cancer, plague and tuberculosis for referring to the use of any particular drug for the treatment is prohibited. Question number 27. An original license to sell drug, unless sooner suspended or cancelled, shall be valid for. So the correct answer is for 5 years. Question number 28. Schedule M1 of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 deals with. So the correct answer is requirement of factory premises for manufacturing of homeopathic medicines. So the requirements of factory premises for the manufacturing of homeopathic medicines is mentioned in Schedule M1. Next, question number 29. List of contraceptive is given in which schedule? So the correct answer is Schedule R. So in Schedule R, the list of contraceptive is given. Question number 30. Schedule F to the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945 prescribes the. So the correct answer is requirements for the functioning and operation of a blood bank. So the requirement for the functioning and operation of a blood bank is mentioned in the Schedule F. Question number 31. Examples of Schedule C drugs is. So the correct answer is insulin. So insulin is the example of Schedule C drugs. Question number 32. Tests on oral polio vaccine are to be carried out of the. So the correct answer is Central Drug Laboratory, Kolkata. Question number 33. The application for grant of license to manufacture drug other than those specified in Schedule C, C1 and X shall be made in and corresponding license shall be issued in. So the correct answer is Form 24 and 25 respectively. Next, question number 34. The warning, that is to be sold by retail on the prescriptions of a RMP, that is registered medical practitioner only, shall appear on the label of. So the answer is Schedule H drug and Schedule X drugs. So on Schedule H and Schedule X drugs, the warning is mentioned to be sold by retail on the prescription of a RMP only. Question number 35. All products of parental use are listed under the following schedule. So the correct answer is Schedule C. So in Schedule C, parental use products are being listed. Question number 36. A drug labeled in the prescribed manner shall be treated as. So the correct answer is misbranded. Next, question number 37. Power of the inspector appointed under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 are mentioned under which of the following section of the Act? So the correct answer is section 22. Under this section 22, power of the inspector appointed under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 are being mentioned. Next, question number 38. Minimum area sale of the shop to be obtain a wholesale license to sell and stock drugs shall be. So the correct answer is 10 square meter. So to obtain wholesale license to sell and stock the drugs, the minimum area of 10 square meter is being required for the setup of the shop. Question number 39. Analysis and test of sample of vaccines are carried out at. So the correct answer is Central Research Institute, Kasli. So in Central Research Institute, Kasli, analysis and test of sample of vaccines are being carried. Question number 40. Central register means. So central register is the register containing the names of all persons for the time being entered in the register of the different states. Question number 41. Functions of the drugs consultative committee is to. So the correct answer is to advise the government in issue related to the Drugs and Cosmetic Act is the function of the drug consultative committee. Question number 42. The first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was out in. So in 1955, the first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh was published. Next, question number 43. Establishment's license for drugs shall be inspected at least. So the correct answer is not less than once in a year. Next, question number 44. The Central Drugs Laboratory is situated in. So the Central Drug Laboratory is situated in Kolkata. Next, question number 45. In pharmacy, the term cool place means. So the term cool place refers to a place having a temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 250 degrees Celsius. This particular temperature range place is known as cool place. Question number 46. Applications for permission to import or manufacture new drugs to undertake clinical trials should be made in. So the correct answer is in Form 44. So application for permission to import or manufacturing of new drugs are made in the Form 44. Question number 47. The latest amended in the Drugs and Cosmetic Act was made in the year. So the answer for this question is not given. If you want the PDF of today's MCQ series, at least try to comment the answer of this question. Question number 48. No color is permitted to be used in drugs except mentioned in the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1945 under. So the correct answer is Rule 127. So as per the Rule 127, the color mentioned in it is only used in the drugs as per mention in the Drugs and Cosmetic Act Rule 1945. Question number 49. Good laboratory practice, in short GLP, certification in India is. So the correct answer is optional for pharmaceutical industries. Next, question number 50. Who has the power to fix selling price of the scheduled formulations? So central government has the power to fix selling price of the scheduled formulations. Question number 51. Cosmetic means any article intended to. So the correct answer is alter the appearance of the human body is known as cosmetic. 52. Question number 52, that is, every drug manufacturer shall maintain the manufacturing and analytical record to the drugs cosmetic rule 1945 as per. So according to schedule U, every drugs manufacturer need to maintain manufacturing and analytical record of the drugs. So the correct answer, that is schedule U. Question number 53. The drugs consultative committee is constituted under which of the following section of the Drug and Cosmetic Act? So the correct answer is section 7. Next, question number 54. Specific requirements for manufacture of sterile products and parental preparations are prescribed in which of the following parts of the Schedule M? So in Schedule M, in part 1, so the note the correct answer, part 1A. So in Schedule M, part 1A, requirements for manufacturing of sterile products and parental preparations are being mentioned. Next, question number 55. State Pharmacy Council have the following numbers of elected members. So in State Pharmacy Council, the numbers of elected members are 6. Question number 56. Drugs other than those specified in Schedule C, CL and X, the license issued in. The correct answer among the following is Form 20B. Next, question number 57. Fluoride content in toothpaste shall not be more than. So the content of fluoride in toothpaste shall not be more than 1000 ppm. Clinical trial is related to which schedule? So Schedule Y deals with the clinical trial, so the correct answer is Schedule Y. 59. Question number 59. The sample of drug taken by the drugs inspector are sent for analysis to. So the sample of drug are taken to the inspector are sent for analysis to the government analyst. Next, question number 60. Condoms are tested at. So the correct answer is Ghaziabad. Question number 61. Schedule M and Y are introduced in which year? So in 1988, Schedule M and Y was introduced. 1988. Question number 62. Who among the following is the chairman of Drug Technical Advisory Board? So the correct answer is the Director General of Health Services is the chairman of the Drug Technical Advisory Board. Next, question number 63. The first schedule of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 prescribes. So it prescribes about the authoritative books of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani tips system. So the list of standard books in Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani was described in the first schedule. Question number 64. For registration of pharmacist, the state government constitution of registration tribunal consists of. So it consists of 3 persons and registrar. Next, question number 65. License for retail of drugs specified in Schedule X is given in the form. So the correct answer is 20F. Question number 66. Patient consent from participation in a phase 1 clinical trial was given in which appendix? So the correct answer is in the 5th appendix. Next, question number 67. Which one of these diseases is not belong to Schedule J? So the correct answer is diphtheria. So diphtheria does not belong to Schedule J, and diphtheria is a serious infection caused by strains of bacteria that are known as Corneobacterium diphtheriae that makes toxins or poisons which lead to difficulty in breathing, heart failure, paralysis, and it even leads to the death of a person. Next, question number 68. List of coal tar required in the pharmaceutical industries is given in which schedule? So the correct answer is Schedule O. So in Schedule O, the list of coal tar required in pharmaceutical industry is being mentioned. Next, question number 69. Which type of the product are to be labeled on their container with the statement used within 1 month after opening the container? So on ophthalmic solutions, the statement is being written to use within 1 month after the opening of the container. Question number 70. Class 100 clean room is defined as a room in which the particle count in the air is. So class 100 room, that is known as the room that contains not more than 100 per cubic of 0.5 micron and larger in size. Question number 71. Which of the following drugs are prohibited to be imported? So the spurious drugs are the drugs that are prohibited for the import. Next, question number 72. The main objective of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and subsequent amendment is to regulate the import, manufacture, distribution and sale of drug and cosmetic of allopathy and the following category except. So in question the question is asked except, so the correct answer is homeopathy. Question number 73. Under Schedule Y to the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945, responsibility of a sponsor include. So the correct answer among the following is submission of the status report on the clinical trial to the license authority. Next, question number 47. That is, a drug which is manufactured under a name which belong to another drug is called as. So such drugs are known as spurious drugs. Question number 75. An alcoholic solution containing 57.77% alcohol, the strength will be labeled as. So it is labeled as proof spirit. Next, question number 76. For registration of pharmacist, first register is prepared by. So the first register for registering as a pharmacist is prepared by the state government. Next, question number 77. A competent technical staff for the manufacture of drug must be. So, he must be a graduate in pharmacy with at least 18-month practical experience in the manufacture of drug. Question number 78. Chloropromamide and dexamphetamine drug belongs to. So, the correct answer is Schedule G and Schedule X. So, chloropromamide and dexamphetamine drugs belongs to the Schedule G and Schedule X. Next, question number 79. The applicable fee for taking license to the manufacturer drug other than those specified in Schedule C and C1 and X are. So, the correct answer is license fee of rupees 6,000 and inspection fee of rupees 1,000. Next, question number 80. Insulins comes under which of the following schedule? So, the answer for this question is not given, it is for you. So, if you want the PDF of today's lecture, so try to comment the answer in the comment section. We will provide you the PDF by contacting you from the description from the comment box. Question number 81. If a person willingly obstruct a drug inspector in the exercise of his power, then this is the, so the correct answer is this is cognizable and non-bailable offense. Question number 82. Which of the following disease which a drug may not purport to prevent or cure is not covered under Schedule J to the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945? So, the correct answer, that is hypertension. Question number 83. In India, the Drug Controller General of India, in short DCGI, can issue an order to ban a drug on the recommendation of, so on recommendation of Drug Technical Advisory Board. Any drug can be banned in India. Question number 84. New drugs developed through research are exempted from price control for a period of 5 years. Question number 85. Drug inspector shall be demand to the public servant under section. So, the correct answer is 21 of LPC. Question number 83. Which one of the following is true? So, among these 4 options, Drug Technical Advisory Board allopathy consists of ex officio nominated and elected members is the correct statement among these following options. Question number 87. Find false claim to be registered pharmacist on first conviction is. So, 500 is the claim for registered pharmacist on his first conviction. Question number 88. A license to import drugs specified in Schedule X to the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945 shall be issued in. So, under Form 10A, a license to import drugs specified in Schedule X is issued. Question number 89. Forms used to send a memorandum to government analyst under Schedule A is done in. So, it is done in the Form 18 and 18A. Question number 90. The schedule in Drug and Cosmetic Act that deals with the requirement and guidelines for the clinical trial, import and manufacture of new drug is? So the correct answer is Schedule Y. Question number 91. A person who falsely claims himself as a registered pharmacist shall be punishable with a. So the correct answer is fine of 500 rupees on first conviction and imprisonment of 6 months on any subsequent conviction. So if a person claims himself as a registered pharmacist, he will be punished with a fine of 500 rupees and he will be sent behind the bars for 6 months. This is the punishment in India if a person falsely claims himself as a registered pharmacist. Question number 92. Which one of the following will be termed as manufactured drug? So among this following, aspirin tablet is termed as the manufactured drug. Question number 93. Drug sample shall be sent to the government analyst for test or analysis by the drug inspector. So the correct answer is all of the above. That means through registered post or in a sealed pack or together with a memorandum in the form, drug sample can be sent to the government analyst for test or analysis of a drug inspector. Question number 94. Requirement of factory premises for the manufacture of cosmetic are mentioned in the Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945 under. So it is mentioned under Schedule M2. Question number 95. License for wholesale of drugs specified in Schedule C and CL is issued in form. So license for wholesale of drugs specified in Schedule C and CL is issued in 21B. Next, question number 96. Drug Technical Advisory Board, in short DTAB, allopathy consists of 18 members, whereas DTAB, that is Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug consists of. So DTAB, that is Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani of drug consist of 20 members, while Drug Technical Advisory Board, that is DTAB, allopathy consists of 18 members. Question number 97. An applications for grant of a license to sell drug other than those specified in Schedule X shall be made in. So in form 18 is the correct answer. Question number 98. The committee appointed by the Government of India to look into the drug industry and various aspects of drugs like licensing, price control, import, role of foreign sector, quality control was headed by. So the correct answer is it was headed by Mudalayar. Question number 99. Digitalis belongs to which schedule? So digitalis belongs to Schedule C1. And the last question, that is question number 100. Registration of pharmacist is done by. So among this following, all the options are false. So the correct answer will be none of the above, because drug inspector is the wrong answer. DTAB, AICTE also wrong answer. So none of the above will be correct answer. तो इस तरीके से फार्मास्यूटिकल ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस से यूनिट 1 में हमने 100 क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लिए हैं। तो आशा करता हूँ कि आपके एग्ज़ाम में इसमें से मैक्सिमम्स क्वेश्चन आ जाए। तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी और MCQ सीरीज़ में। तब तक आप लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू।